Lok Sabha ki MP Dr. Angomcha Bimolgi Luching Makhada Airport Advisory Committee AAC ki mifam pangthokre ngasi pangthokiba mifam aduda AAC ki members sing senior district amadi police officials sing industry amadi trade representatives airline station managers BCAS amadi CASO representatives AAI department ki heads amadi atopa stakeholders singna saruk yaki airport director na mifam aduda airport ki development ki matangda loinana passenger amenities air connectivity beautification loinana safety security measures singima matangda presentation piki loinana mifam aduda concern agencies singa punchinduna hena chokhatpagi lambida changsinana ba wafong kaya puthokuna khanaki.
Even if I have to schedule, they have removed this last slide. It's 5:45 wala. So Delhi se aata hai 12:55. That flight is reintroduced during the winter itself. It was first removed from the winter schedule. So that means it is at the discretionary part of the airline. जब crisis आ गए तो आप लोग introduce करते हो. हमारा खुद का crisis होता है तो आप ध्यान नहीं देते कोई DSP कुछ हुआ तो हमारा side effect की तरह we get the benefit. This is not that.
The problem is our people of Jiribam they have so many questions and we have seen many in local Delhi also. The Silchar Imphal flight. There is a problem.
Committee should take a decision and request the airline. See, he said Uran is not important. We have the whole diaspora in Silchar. In fact, this coming assembly election, there's one major who is trying to fight election for my party. Is trying to get a ticket. It's a huge population. They used to be the second largest. There was a time, but we don't have a service. Then for Jiri also, it's a few hours from Silchar Airport to Jiri. So it's an important hub for us. I think the airline should think about it. I don't think there will be a lack of passengers. Then second, Aizawl, because there are a lot of Manipuris working there. And my concern is that if you put Silchar on your lane, then these Aizawl people will also have some living space. You can travel from Aizawl to Silchar, catch the flight rather than going to Rajasthan.